Hello guys, in this video we'll be looking at how we can convert a logo or any vector image into a sticker in Adobe Illustrator. So after you have imported your design into the Illustrator, you can select the design, then go to edit and then copy the design, then go back to edit and paste the design, paste in font, then drag the copied design. I'm going to drag mine outside the canvas so I can see what I'm doing. Then go to window and look for Pathfinder, and then unite the design. Then we go to object and look for path, offset path. I'm going to make the size 75 pixels. Then select everything and unite them again. And then now I'm going to select the offset path and the logo together by holding shift, and then click the logo and align the design. Then select the offset and send it, arrange it backward. Now we can select the outline and go to object and then go to path again and look for offset path. This time I'm going to make the offset 15 pixels. Then go to the color picker and select this black, and then I'm going to select the red outline and go to the color picker and make it white, this shade of white, and then click OK. And now your sticker is done. You can drag it outside the canvas to see how it looks, and that's how you can go about creating a sticker using a logo or any vector image. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.